Hello, welcome to this week's video. We're going to take you along as we go through a couple days in our life together as a family.
Well, hello folks. We are sitting here in our little home office, just hanging out.
Yeah, we're hanging out.
Yep. However, we would like to go for a drive. Sounds like there's some errands to do. Errands. Do you use that word, errands? That means things. You gotta go places. So, might as well go get in the vehicle and go for a drive. What do you think? You like our area?
Oh yeah, I think it's beautiful.
A lot of hills and different kinds of things.
Yeah.
A lot of farms, different kind of stuff. So I'm still recovering and improving from the episode that had me in the hospital several months now. Back in October. This is February. It's February now.
She mentioned us in the comment section.
Okay, so driving is over. I'm back at the house and it's time to get dinner going. And my wife isn't here, so some of the children are going to be cooking dinner. What are we making?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't.
Making sloppy joes.
Potatoes.
I was told to get potatoes.
Do you know what we're making?
Sloppy joes.
Sloppy Joes. She's over here scrubbing potatoes.
That's for the fries.
Fries. Well, I'm trying to avoid carbohydrates, so I won't be eating any fries. But the Sloppy Joes, yeah, I'll definitely eat that. So he says there's something wrong with these leftover baked beans. What do you think?
They taste disgusting. I mean, they smell disgusting.
Do they?
Yeah.
They really smell bad?
You want them to smell?
I don't care. I don't want to smell them. You think they smell bad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baked beans
They
always
always
smell.
All right.
Baked beans always smell bad.
They always, yeah. Well, you're lucky this time. You got two sisters saying that they are bad, so that means we get to get rid of them. I mean, we get to get rid of the beans. I mean, we have to get rid of the beans.
These ones smell kind of the same.
Really?
Sniff them.
Well, I guess that means that nobody has to eat baked beans tonight. All right, show us how it works.
You're supposed to have a bowl underneath of there.
You're supposed to have a bowl? Okay.
Hang on.
Just push the fries through. Uh-oh.
Oh.
They're stuck.
Oh my goodness! Look at that.
You gotta,
You gotta pick them out of there. There
Yeah.
you go.
give me this.
Oh, the whole thing goes up in there. All right. Uh-oh.
What on earth?
It's just part of the potato thing.
Don't tell Mama we're wrecking the fry maker. Oh,
don't
you're supposed to
worry.
have a thing here that
Yeah,
it
we don't
screws down.
have the screwy thing.
It's
Don't
supposed to hold it. Okay.
She'll find out when she watches the video.
Oh,
Oh yeah, she'll find out.
This show.
Oh, boy.
Oh my goodness! It happened again.
Yeah.
It's right.
Make
here.
sure it's centered correctly. But isn't there some little thing?
Now. Look.
Overall, it is a neat device when you get it to work right. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
There we go. Hey, it's
So they
working.
found a little screw thingy that holds it down. You just put the potato in there. It's got to be centered. You can't do it on the side. Never mind. All right. So you just stick them in there and push them through. They drop out the bottom as fries. That's a very useful contraption. So I'll tell you where we got it at. We actually got it off of Layman's.com, Layman's Hardware. That's where we got that thing from.
Have these anymore?
They might sell similar things somewhere else,
Yeah, I thought we went and
but
they didn't have it.
what? You think they quit carrying these?
I thought they quit. I thought we went and we wanted a new thing for something.
Well, that was
They
just for
quit.
parts, replacement parts, because
Yeah,
we
that
lost
was
some
for the
parts.
replacement parts.
So yeah, they may or may not still have those. I don't know. And back here we have Mr. Frying Pan Man. How you doing? Good. You the grill master?
Yep.
Somebody got something on the pan. Somebody.
Now, as cold as it is,
Yeah, it's me.
we don't have our wood-burning cook stove lit.
Why don't we?
And the reason we don't have it lit, nobody got around to it. If it was on, we would be cooking on this. It probably does need clean. Maybe that has something to do with it. But our regular heat stove is burning. It's lit. It's lit. Yeah, not the stove itself is not burning, but the wood that is inside the stove is burning.
Yeah, if the stove was burning, we wouldn't be here.
What are you doing?
It needs cleaned.
It needs clean. It needs clean real bad. So we got a bunch of ash in there. But down in the clean out, don't open it. Don't open that.
Oily
Yeah.
fries. Oily fries. Oily and crispy fries are the best.
All right, so they're gonna cook on the modern stove, right back there. That's not from our beef, is it?
No.
No. Are we out of that stuff?
Yes.
Oh no. Well, I guess they've got it under control, so I'm going to go sit down. There she is. Mama's home. I've got all the children working together, making dinner.
Ooh, that sounds nice.
Yeah, that's working out real nice. And they found some more baked beans. We actually don't make our own baked beans. We buy them.
No, you can make your own baked beans.
Okay, fine. But these are from a can. These are vegetarian baked beans. I would tell you what brand they are, except for one thing. You know, it's not. They're not giving us any kickback or anything for saying it, so we're gonna leave them out. All right, I need to sit down, and this time I mean it. Looks like they've got it done. Putting it on the plates. Some fries and some sloppy joe and
Baked beans.
hey, you like them baked beans, right?
No.
What?
You don't like baked beans.
All right, well, I'm gonna put the camera down.
We got some snow last evening. I'm going to take the camera outside and check it out.
running a couple errands today. Just thought I'd bring the camera along, show a little bit about our area, what it kind of looks like. I guess a little bit of a road trip sort of thing. There you go, we got a tractor right in front of us. So our area is a little bit unique. There's a lot of Amish around here, and so there's a lot of tractors and buggies and bikes and other things on the roads as well. It makes it kind of interesting. And then our area, it's a beautiful area. There's a lot of hills, a lot of farms. And here's another tractor we're coming up on. You can always tell the tractors, they're supposed to have a slow-moving vehicle sign, but they also have their hazard lights flashing. So up here, I'll go around him here in a minute. As soon as I can see. For those of you who are following our channel and what all was going on with my illness and all that, I'm still recovering. For those of you who don't know, I guess I was hospitalized last October. I was in the hospital for a month, and I was in a coma, and yeah, I just had a lot of issues trying to recover from all of that, and I'm still recovering. Things are not 100%, but I'm making progress. Some of that medication that I'm on affects muscles and muscle strength and things like that. Being weakened to begin with, it just makes it all that more difficult. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. So I guess it's just going to be an ongoing thing with all that. So yeah, we're just taking it one day at a time. And the local sawmill, bring the logs in over there. A local sawmill. They saw up all kinds of lumber. They supply cabin builders. Yeah, I've noticed before in the videos, it always looks like I'm going a lot faster than what I really am when I video driving. I'm not going that fast. In fact, the speed limit's 40 and 45 on most of these roads. This one says 40. I just passed the speed limit sign. I'm going 30. So.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this week's video.
God bless you. We'll see you on the next one.
We have lots of fun and exciting things to...
There's not lots. There's just, it's not fun and exciting. Just say hello. Hello, welcome to this week's video.
on the last few days as we've been together as a family
This week.
this week.
Try it one more time.
This is hard.
Are we done?
I hope we're done.
Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and hit that like button if you haven't done so already. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to receive notifications when we do upload the next video, hit that notification bell. And check out our channel. We have several videos just like this one or very similar. We do various things including hiking, biking, boating, fishing, builds of various kinds, mostly outdoor activities. Some homesteading is thrown in there as well. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.